that turning?
Alright, so today guys, Carlos is gonna show you how to replace an alternator.
Yeah, put some water on it first. Cool it down. Get it cool.
Okay.
So first thing you need to do is actually unplug the battery and shit.
But we can do that after, you know? Fuck it. You can do that after you finish the job.
Look you off though. Look you off though.
They're tripping, bro. If anything, you're gonna make more power, bro.
I don't even know what else.
It's lighter weight.
What if you switch the alternator with the battery?
Low key, that would probably be like more power. Yo! Someone just touched my ass.
You spawning in these fruits, bro. How you do that?
He likes deep throwing shit.
What are you talking about?
It has nothing to do with fruits, bro.
You ain't know he likes to deep throw
Like,
shit.
I know that, but like, what do I got to do with fruits?
He has more snacks.
Nigga got more fruits, bro.
You had more peaches?
Bro had hella apparently.
You got
You
like
didn't know. Where are you spawning them in from?
Something else in his pocket.
You have another one?
I knew
This
it was the whole
motherfucker has
ass orange,
another
bro.
orange in his pocket.
Hey, let me go to slice.
I got hungry.
Bro, you're supposed to be working on the car. You over here munching. What are you
Hey,
doing?
B, take
Give me
the
that.
piece of
He
the
put
gum.
it back.
He's putting it back in his storage, his inventory. Let's see if this is even the right part before we even start disassembling my car.
You got the wrong shit.
Oh, that looks nice.
That looks like an alternator.
That
It
looks.
like a. Like
Hey,
a
bro,
car part.
he actually gave you a twin turbo, bro.
He
That's a
did
twin
get,
turbo.
guys. I just bought a turbo.
Bro,
But
that's
turbo-
the supercharger.
You know,
Hey, bro,
don't-
we got a pulley.
Yeah.
It low key is a supercharger, bro.
Loki is.
Look, it's a supercharger, guys.
You just gotta
So
put the thing on the thing.
we're just
you know?
gonna like supercharge the car. I don't know what this is. Don't ask me.
It's
It's bolt on supercharge.
where
We're bolting it on to supercharge.
So DIY 5 seconds or less. How to bolt on a supercharger.
Oh, this is hot. So basically, what I did right there was. You got a screwdriver?
Yeah, I just gave you one.
This is a flathead. You got a screwdriver?
for flat.
I already used the flathead. Now I need a screwdriver.
me you needed both while I was
Cause.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm sorry. I need tools. Can you bring a
Why don't
screwdriver?
you got tools?
Because I'm not home.
You can have them on you, bro. Emergency situations, bro.
I only have the emergency imitation ones.
What kind of tools you got up in your way?
Huh?
What kind of tools you got in the way?
Just a screwdriver.
Come on, man.
Illegals in my yard, throw them some pesos and they work so hard. Illegals in my yard, I don't even ask if they got green card. They're gonna pave up.
What is wrong with that fucking squirrel?
Shut up.
We got the old supercharger out. We got the new one in, as you can see. We just showed you guys how to do it in 5 seconds or less.
We're about to turn it back on right now. We'll see. Is that turning? Wait. Oh! Turn it off.
What was that?
It was just.
I thought I was gonna hear like something important.
What the?
I thought I was gonna hear your fan, but no. This shit fell. Let's just take all this off it.
They're gonna clean all my cars this Christmas.